Camarada, good evening, Itaro 968, radio check.
Tarro 968, Roma, radio 5.
Perfect. Camarada, Itaro 968, information Alpha, request clearance to Linate.
Tarro 968, information Alpha correct, cleared to Linate, Nenig 5 Alpha departure. Giglio 8 Golf transition, runway 25, climb 4,000 feet, squawk 1,000.
Clear Linate by Adeni 5 Alpha, transition Giglio, initial climb 4,000 feet, squawk 1,000, Itaro 968.
Tarro 968, Giglio 8 Golf transition.
Giglio 8 Golf transition, Itaro 968.
Tarro 968, read back correct, when ready push and start approved.
I call you again for start and push, Itaro 968.
Fine 575 Tango, contact Milano 132.905.
Milano 132.905, grazie manifest Alpine 575 Tango.
Buone feste.
Approaching minimums. 400. Minimums.
Senior.
Okay, travel 230, report ready to copy clearance.
300.
Now ready, Sky Travel 230.
Stand by. Aircraft 2 Foxtrot India, descend level 110.
200.
Descending to level 110, aircraft 2 Foxtrot India.
Sky Travel 230, cleared to Paris, Xenol 5 Alpha departure, Nimbo 7 Alpha transition,
40.
runway 25,
30.
climb 4,000 feet,
20.
squawk 5502.
10.
Destination Paris Charles de Gaulle, runway 25, clear to climbing 4,000 feet, squawk 5502, Sky Travel 230.
Sky Travel 230, confirm Nimbo 7 Alpha transition.
Nimbo 7
Auto brake
Alpha transition,
disarmed.
Sky Travel 230.
Auto brake
Sky
disarmed.
Travel 230, read back correct, when ready, push and start approved.
I'm concerned today, this is the 6 Kilo Sky Travel 380, it's 3 for